putang inang problema ng Pilipinas. Until now.
Can we excuse the President? Okay. Sige, Mr. President, by unanimous position, you are now excused from the hearing. Mr. Thank you for
Ayoko, sir.
attending. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Whether you like it or not, kasi itong mga kaibigan niyo po rito, gusto na po kayong ipa-relax po, Mr. President.
Ito na kasi yung forum na maybe binigyan ako ng panahon ng Panginoong Diyos na makarating dito and I could talk publicly. Alam naman lahat ng mayors yan, kulang talaga ang suporta. Ang pulis ko, hanggang sweldo lang yan. May magutos, walang gasolina, walang pang-follow up.
Mr. President,